channel. This will be my first YouTube video posted that will stay on my channel, because the other ones weren't good quality, they didn't really have good lighting, so I'm hoping that this one turns out better. So today we're going to be doing my everyday makeup routine, and let's get to the video. So I keep all the products that I'm currently using in this Victoria's Secret, it was a lip gloss container thing. It had like 5 lip glosses in it. I took those out, put those in my makeup box, and I use this so that I can use up all of the products that I'm using at one time and then go and get new ones or just try new ones. So yeah. So I always start with taking care of my skin. I wash my face and then I put on this. This is, how's this gonna show up? Okay. This is hydrocortisone, and this is the Maybelline Baby Skin. So I mix those. Sorry if I'm looking like above the camera. It's just my mirrors behind the camera. Oh, and don't forget to wash your hands before you put on your makeup, because we don't got time for acne, baby. I don't use a baby skin primer a lot because sometimes it'll make me greasy, but sometimes it'll work. I guess it just depends on what day of the week, I guess, like if my skin just decides to be oily or not. And I don't like using makeup products on my skin because I feel like it'll clog my pores, and I don't want clogged pores. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Curl your eyelashes before you put on mascara. Learn that the hard way. Yeah. So I'm just gonna grab my palette and put my eyelashes in this. If you don't wear mascara, you should put hot water on a rag, curl your eyelashes, and then hold the rag onto your eyelash curler, and it makes them stay like that. It looks really, really cute and really natural. Okay. So put this back. Now I'm gonna use, is this Maybelline Great Lash Clear and Revlon Ultra Volume mascara. I usually use these two together. I start with the clear gel first. I only put clear on my top lash. I love the clear lash for when you want a really, really natural look and you don't want it to look too done up. Makes your eyelashes stay curled, just looks really good. I think this is waterproof. I'm pretty sure this is waterproof. Yeah, it's waterproof. I like this one. I don't like Revlon a lot, to be honest. And then I use the Revlon on my bottom lashes. Oh my gosh. Oh, that burns. I keep blinking when I put in mascara on my bottom lash. Okay. Now we're going to put these two back. We are going to move on to the second to last step is lip gloss. I don't wear lipstick or lip liners or anything. I wear lip gloss. Bless you. And sometimes, only sometimes, the light, the window in the back. Oh man, I should shut the blinds or something. Okay. I take this. I don't use this palette a lot anymore. I used to when I started getting into makeup, but I don't really use it anymore. So I use this one. I think it's this one. Is it gonna show up? That as a highlighter sometimes. Yeah. This is beautiful. And I don't use the actual highlighter because I find that most regular highlighters that I've bought, they break out my skin. It's extremely sensitive. So I find that this eyeshadow works better than actual highlighters. And that is all for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys have a good day. I hope this inspired you to do some makeup or something. Sis, what? Okay. And that is all for my everyday makeup routine. Gotta blend that out a little bit. That is all for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and comment your favorite show on Netflix. I need to find some new shows because I just finished Riverdale. Bye guys!